Haka artare unaila raja apply kalong kasni kabadap dak jingkemen bat kabansa jingken mau ya ke SSG yasnok tilang BO mosto. Bak juru ya kesnong hibaro kawai bahaka ni kasni layo ban pli ya ke shlam aji kai ka khneng embroidery ne kata ke training com production center. Haka bakumnu ban than penitnat tang dak tiling ba kirkom than ba pher haka rem terai kasi jong kesnong mosto kabala penipu ipieng bat penisong kun shisha. Kani kerkom than haka ni kesnong musto keladan naduk ipor kilong shua manchua kinang yai beteng ban pene pensa ya kani kerkom than haka ni kesnong lengba kani keslam ajing hikai bat haka ni kesni layo ban pli ya kani keslam ajing hikai bat ban khap yo ribon da menteri katnat community rural development jong kesorkar Meklia Abu Taham Mondal ubolong kongsan haka ni kesni rengkat ka junalang usumbut kongsan ba balajit Kopar Sendram MLA Kashila constituency bat kiwei Layu ban pelong ya kejelang ke belengkot bala penyak ya kejelang da ikong jesenta umdor ibalong video jong Kashila bolakan CNR di blog. Balayo ru ya kijing kerap tiang subha ya kitu baro kiblawan ban sim menta syak ni ka program dai SDO jong kasara civil subdivision kong hima nayak IAS rengkat ke jinelang USC Sadhu Sketri ke CNRD project director di RDA PT Pasa berkunjung ki ofisa sorkar kinong mi khmat jong kitnat Usia International Limited ki kena school kinong hikai ki rirang ba jong kasnong barengkat ki pai ba jong kasnong baro bat ya kani kaslam aji kai ka khneng embroidery lakershan da ke Usia International Limited ban ai ya ki machine thanjai rengkat ru da ke jingkershan na ke MSR LS
HG to form a village organization in the month of July 2021 and the name of the BO is Yasnok Tilang. The date of formation of this BO is on 20th July 2021. Altogether here in Mustor we have around 6 SHG and the total household into SHG are 60.
Today we are here gathered for this beautiful program of inauguration of Training cum Production Center for Preserving Khneng Embroidery, supported by Usha International Limited and also MSRLS State Office. So in Mustor village today it's very heartening to see all the women and the villagers and especially the children from all different
pen piang shu ya ka program da ki jingruai basngo tenat bat bakit jingmut halo kanong rem jong ke SSD da ka lawai shong sabai BO maumlu bat kumjuru ki jingruai basngo tenat na ka yasno tilang BO musto
in ya bir bat boisha thong jing jing en rading thong boila bor arong in say in I'm sa never shut you away she can hold man ya can show wala kalong she wow out since she die young ya can do getting can show banging ya she can hold man ya can show wala kalong she wow out since she die young ya can do getting can show banging ya
Kayas nok tilang BO musto kelayo ban ai subha de krendia bat kiwi ki jing ai subha kum kadak ka jing sa jing kan mau na ka benta kini lawan kerpang hakani ka program
preservation of the Kneng embroidery. I therefore express my sincere thanks to the chief guest, other high dignitaries, distinguished guests, and each one of you for making this event successful. I express the special thanks to Usha and MSRLS for the support of this training center. Us as SHG members, we assure you that we will try our best to preserve this tradition so that it will not only help us.
Dan video yang terkidul address lihat depan ialah sangat contoh musuh ibarat lihat baik
between the SSG Canberra and the state government, and I hope this will belong our areas as a whole. Especially, I would like to thank a humble request for the Usha Panel to extend for a few more days training for the first batch so that they'll be getting more experience in the work. So on this level, I conclude my speech. Now speak little in Hesi. Prolog, Kiwanajan, Brajoy, Matuyuru, Kini, Prashom, dan Shalom. Ki Nopai Soga, Batu, Ki Naskul, Ki dalam Impor, Dapat Shalom Impau, Ki Naskul, Makarau, Ki Ayu Impau, Namta, Jom Soga. Bahan Makuan tu yang udah umum ni, dan Shalom Jami, Ki Badan Makau Jami, Nginak Niuti, Yapi, Ki Longmi, Ki Basyamata, Namta Kani Training. Yang kau kenal, kacipu jomsokan kanong
Hakani ke jelang ke belengkot layo ya ki jingkren na kinongkren ba fer ki bakentuk na ka Usha International Limited ki bela ai ya ki kentien penslur bat kentukan pham ya ki kenthei ki badan hakisnong musto bakin treshi tom shishu nang bakakam kanang yar nang bakan long ke jingmentoi hadian habut layo katuk ni gijingkren na usumbut kongsan ba belajit ko pasendram na kaliang jong i ila ong bakani kadai kalat kakabu bangi dei ban simkhia khamtam kilong kemie khnang bakan long ka jingmentoi bak juru ban pen imbiang ya kani karukom than kaba kilong dien kilelam nanti bat idei ru ban pen pau sya ka perthai barok away ya kasap kapong kaba ublei ulaai.
I was surprised because just last year in the month of March we had inaugurated the Muga Healing Center at Saikara. So in the span of 1 year, our VO, our SSGs in Musto, with the help of a CNRD minister, could accomplish this program today. And it's a great process when you see the talent which has been there for a long time. I should say this Kneng embroidery, which would have been a lost art, has been revived again. So I should thank all the supporters who have taken this initiative to showcase a talent and at the same time showcasing our village to the world at large. Because last year, if I remember correctly, via NESPAS, this Kneng embroidery was showcased at one particular fashion event. And I should thank the people who are taking this initiative to preserve and imbue the talents to the younger generations. So, with the permission of the chief guest, I would like to speak in my native language, to be proper for me. Te rai kublai ye baro ki ben angne nadu ki ramba jong shnong ki ramba jong kui ki shnong ki belawan sentral lang akan ngasngin yiki long kamay yiki help badan juni but yiki officers but yiki perlu ki ben nausha bana MSRLS ki officers jong civil subdivision but borok apakah perhat yang akan ngasngin kadang sengi kaba ngi ka pasno mathaw ilayo ka abok ka bakhram namar habang iyo kum kini jingera kum la batay menday we rampa ne wang ka jingkhang ngila khle yape yale man khle ben ya ka jingkhang namar ka jumut ka jungi namar habang ima ya ka rukom long jong perthai hakum ke digi po kalat galanti bapankeu yiki shnong thao yiki longin ni mani kedig lamba ki initiatives ki bawanra ya ka kamai ka kaji barang perkhat ya kan ka khneng kurkom so khneng khan khneng mojo tathai ni pori bandem san chus dem benshwa ngam na kham yosmo Lese pikiran kita tabak sutna kalau bah nagi long kemai kita hangne kisim ki panale masnong bang pengkem pong kumno bang pentau ia kena sab jong kipro nakadong kathan na jong aka perthai bro we tihabang iyo kam kini kilar yang perkhan ruksa kiwe pengkilete kamno bagila pengyo yang kamai kekaji lembah ini kikam nang benomwe ilakhle atau pemuda wing center hasai karam kebayi lamang dok yang ni usen moh kuba lam wanra kaji demi yuk saya nai berkam ju bang train lang berkaneka VO SSG hamnya shnong tikam kini gilang kelenti ke bagi yo habang iwan iki roman training la yo lupa hamne khana jong kasong sakhangi hape kamno bang ya treshto bang penpau penni khambat ya treshto kram hiru hila bang yo elagi jong kamai gaji namar kam kini gilang kelenti kiwan sisin lano shim ya ne kamo ya treshto but ya longru ki ba ya tili apakah ma ya kertek jong dengan video hamne yang yasno khtilang te sobha yasno khtilang moh abalong betli di ko abang ya geu temle tanga taro kadega dong athan ya jong kabab bon kima ko kibeu jugi gila bang tre ya khta bat lemah kadega khneng bang penlem pong ya kane kang yarap sibat kalau bang nei ese bentang asnge dia mundur batang bangkle ya ni kane hade perkhat ngila bang persang hadin habon lembaga tourism department lembaga horticulture lembaga kiwipok department kam no bang promote ya kane ka rokop than kane bara ka cukup por convergence pada tourism mempromote ya ka dong ka than
Layu ya kijingkran na Menteri Katnat Community and Rural Development Abu Tahem Mandal na kaliang jong u ulapan pau ba udap da kijingkemen bandon lang hakani ka program bat ban pli ya ka training com production center hakani ka snong mosto ba ulong bakalong ka ba isuk bah ban chupek tang da ka khmat ya ka rukom thain bat penwandur ndrei ladangi thain ka long ka ba e bah ban penwaranti ya ka jan ulapan silur ya kilong keme bakinang ya tresh tom shu na ka benta kani ka kam baula ai kublai kerpang ru ya ka Usia International Private Limited bakla kloi banyarap bat ban ai ya ki machine thanjan knang ba kan long ka jing mentoi na ka bita jongki
the weavers are finding difficult in Darwin's our sisters they wear takbanda which is traditionally wear or also some other communities like Ravas, Harjam, Os, Man, they also wore the traditional clothes. But these days it is very difficult for them to sustain because the cost of production is very high and people opt for the cheaper goods, and that's how it is very difficult to sustain. Second thing is coming, the marketing, that whatever we produce today, why do we sell? Because these products are usually very costly, and though it is very attractive, but many people don't find financially supportive to purchase those products. Why not we showcase these things outside the world? Another important thing is that the change of trend, the design criteria, and showcasing the same thing in the outside world. I am very happy that one organization in the name of NESPAS, with the help of IFED, I think already showcased this product, as Babalajit has already mentioned, in Femina program somewhere outside of the state. So how we have come here? We have come here just to see that we have a training camp production center. Not only production center and not also training. We should have a training camp production center, and where Usha International has agreed to help us through their CSR program. And if we continue with this, with little changes of design, the change of taste that has been changing in our young consumers, if we can match on that, definitely this will be a hot cake. So design technology, infusing the old one and new one will definitely help. I was told that it is very tedious work. To have the embroidery on silk is very difficult. Now many things have been done by the way. They started weaving silk on silk, very difficult. Then silk on cotton. Then they changed to cotton on silk. That's how I think this design has finally come. And it's very difficult. Because you want to keep the count of the thread, how many threads are there, and then how much it should go. And it is very easy to see that it is beautiful, but our sisters who weave this one, is very difficult to keep count because they have to attend to their household chores. So that's why we requested Usha International that let us see that how we infuse both, that the traditional system is there also, where we can infuse little bit modernity to help them out so that we can get our product done.
Palayo ikintin ai kublai ya baro kiblawan ban shimenta syakanika program da ublok project manager ke MSRLS ba B Banshan
We have come to the end of this program, which is also a milestone for Mustok village and our state as a whole, and in particular for this Kneng embroidery. Because of your support to the people of this village, and in particular to our embroidery.
Equivalently, pada cingirap jam sarkar, mau kini like lagi mau bersih bagi orang. Ke sarkar, mikmat dan MSRS, ke Usha, bat kapi. Kita buat SSG Pakistan. Kini kita lagi mau bersih, let's say, inak kita show. Tapi kita komsu, kita thang jumpi, yang ray, lembab ini berhenti bah, kayak buat hak nasional.